The 3-in-1 Verti Steam Pro by Drew & Cole is amazing for clothes, furnishings, curtains and more, all with one setting. Let's start off with steaming. Hang your garment up on the press pad and attach the Perfect Finish lint remover. We recommend the Perfect Finish lint remover whenever steaming to prevent any water spots and to keep condensation away from your clothes. Switch the Verti Steam Pro unit on with a quick press and release. When the light stops flashing, hold the bottom of the garment and very gently tension it. Now, hold the trigger or slide the trigger lock on. It may take a few seconds for steam to come through, and slowly move down the fabric to see the creases disappear. The Perfect Finish lint remover will pick up any lint you have in your garment too. Steaming is an effortless way to remove creases in fabric, and it's most effective when you're going slow and steady. This gives the steam enough time to relax the fibres so creases just fall right out. You might think that going faster will speed up the process, but more often than not, if you're going too fast, you need to pass over the same area more than once, and you might end up making your clothes a little damp with the steam. For the best results, relax, take it easy, and let the Verti Steam Pro do all the hard work for you. Ironing is just as easy. As with steaming, hang up your garment on the press pad. This time, don't clip on any of the attachments. Pull the trigger, press the steam plate against the garment and slowly move down. This will help you get tougher wrinkles out and put creases in shirt sleeves or trouser legs. Finally, if you're looking to refresh a garment, clip on the Plump and Refresh brush and watch as you'll easily pick up hair, lint and light dirt. You'll steam away bad smells and as well as plumping up fibres to totally refresh this jacket. If you're looking to refresh around the house, you can steam curtains while they're hanging, sofa cushions and rugs in seconds too. Just make sure you always hold the Verti Steam Pro vertically. It's called Verti for a reason. When you're done, just press and hold the power button until the light goes off. Make sure you let the Verti Steam Pro cool down before putting it away. Also, never steam clothes you're wearing.